Got this 91 gsxr 1100 sent over from Bonsai. I'll get right to showing the damage on it that we're going to take care of and explaining how we're going to do it. Got the front nose for 91 gsxr 1100. It's just got some damage here. Just a couple spots here and there on it. They sell decal kits for these, but the guy got them and the color's way off, so we're going to try to save these decals. 91 is my favorite year for the GSXRs. It's the first year they went with the glass screen over the headlights. So we're going to start on it. We're going to, like I said, we're going to save these decals. Got a coat of clear on it. What's nice is some of the black scratches will disappear when you put clear on it, so that's something I won't have to take care of. But now that there's clear on this, I can sand that down as smooth as I can get it. And instead of using plastic filler and then having to prime, I can actually touch it up with clear and sand the clear smooth. That way I can keep the color really in a small area. Now that I got clear coat over the whole thing, I'm going to put a little bit of clear in here and sand that smooth. I'll paint the black and then I'll clear the whole thing again. And hopefully it's smooth enough where I can start getting to some of these decals. Ready to start laying some of the black down. Got the black sprayed. There's a little damage in there. There's some up there. Gonna get all the masking off and then I'll clear the whole thing. Gonna start laying some stripes down. Put on as many coats until I see that line's gone. Then I know I got enough on. All ready for clear now. That's where all that damage was before. It's all gone now. Clear on it. I use these cards here. I put all my notes on the back with the codes and everything. It saves me time the next time I gotta do one of these. I can just grab my card and know exactly what I used it last time. Got the 91 GSXR 1100 all done. It had those scrapes and stuff in here and just some other stuff. I don't know if you can see it. It's got that nice sparkle to it. Can't wait to see this one on. Should look pretty good. Now that I got all the paint work done, it'll go back to Dave at Bonsai Restoration so he can finish up all the restoration work he's doing on it. And hopefully when he gets it all done, I'll get a video of it all finished. A nice walk around video of it. Then you can see how good it looks done.